Hello, do you need a website for yourself or your business? Then watch this video to the end. Welcome to my channel Tech with NiiNana. If it's your first time here, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the bell for all notifications. Begin the process by checking my description for the link to access the platform. This is it, durable.co. This is an AI platform that will create a website for you. Yes, this platform can generate a free website for your brand, so take advantage of this opportunity as you can make money from it. So let's have a look around and then begin the process. We generate our website on the platform by issuing a command. So let's begin now. You are asked the type of business that you are building, whether it's coaching, photography, blogging or whatever. So in this case, it's a tourism job, or let's say a tour guide. So that is what I am going to set the type of business to. The next thing you have to do after this is to set the location of the business. My business is in Accra, so that is what I am going to enter there. And from there, you input the name of the business. In this case, it is Visit Ghana. Click Generate Website after entering the business name, and then you will see it loading. This AI platform is going to analyze the details that you entered, and it is going to generate a nice website for your business. As we wait for this AI platform to build your website, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if it's your first time here, and leave your questions in the comment box. The website is almost done, and yes, as you can see, it is ready. This is an AI generated website for my business, so we have a look at the interface and get to see if it is what we like or not. Yes, the platform has entered packages that they find suitable for the business and a whole lot. You can even book a session or tour on the platform. This website, or let's say this platform, is for you if you are looking to generate any type of website for your business. I just generated Visit Ghana for a friend. To customize the website created, you have to sign in with your Gmail account, or better still, create an account. I am signing in with my Gmail account. After you sign in, you will get the chance to customize this AI made website. Yes, you can customize it to suit your needs before you finally publish it. Yes, the AI does a few for you, and then you do the final touches and then hit publish. You can upgrade your plan and get a professional domain for your business, or you can still decide to go with the free version. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and wait on the next video. See you soon.